Another day, another clock. This is a Seth Thomas Exeter. Got this from the antique store about a month or two ago for around 80 bucks, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Well-priced clock, and a very clean clock too. Nothing too insane. It's also yet another Seth Thomas added to the collection. Show you what it sounds like. Sorry, gotta reach around here. The hour hand is slightly off. I have made attempts at fixing it, but this is about the closest that I've gotten. No matter how many times I get it right, it always gets itself out of position somehow. Not quite sure why, but hopefully someday, hopefully it stays this way, I should say. Or my next attempt will be successful. One of the two. Here's a peek at the back. Fairly typical movement for Seth Thomas clocks around this period. A rebadged Hermley movement. In this case, the 8206002. That's the Seth Thomas badging of the Hermley movements. I believe this is one of Hermley's 150 series movements. Or 130 series, one of the two. I forget which one exactly. But yeah, winds from the back, two identically tuned chime rods. Makes for a unique sound that it has. Went the wrong way. It's okay, rack and snail striking. Show you one more time. You'll also notice this clock has bushings. Very unusual for a clock like this to have bushings in it. Because normally, you do not. But this clock has been evidently serviced and repaired at some point in its life, likely rather recently, which makes it all the more strange why I was able to buy it at this price point. And it's partially why I bought it, because of the deal and the fact that it was serviced. That made for quite a steal, and something that with proper servicing, I can eventually turn a profit on when I sell this and other clocks to make room for other cooler and more expensive clocks down the line. That'll do it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more clock content just like this. There you have it.